Hey everybody, before I get on to it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Well, today I'm going to make a nice tea, or you can call coffee, of Acorn Chaga coffee. First, you're going to need some ground chaga. So this is some chaga that I ground up, made a while ago. And then, real simple, well maybe not simple, to make the acorn coffee part. Well, you're going to need to leach the tannins out of the acorns. I got another video on how to process from harvesting and then actually leaching the tannins out. And then toasting, just like you would do with coffee beans. Then I ground that up. Then I combined them, the chaga and the acorns, together. And it's 50-50. So we're going to need a half-gallon jar. And 2 tablespoons of it, about a teaspoon per cup. So I'm going to fill it up to about the 6-cup mark with some hot water. Yep, 6 cups. Now it doesn't need to be a boiling water, just needs to be hot. And shake this up, stir it around. Now I'd like to let this sit for about 10 minutes at least before drinking. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Well, it's been 10 minutes and let's first add some honey to the cup. I'm going to add just a little bit of honey. And then here's a wooden spoon that I just made. Another video. Hot. Ooh, this is actually hot. Very hot. A little coffee filter. Okay, that's enough. This will give you, like, if you're gonna go work out or something, have a little bit of honey. Honey is good for boosting the immune system. And also the chaga will give you certain nutrients. B vitamins are very important right before going to work out. So I'm going to be going to work out here soon. So this is a great drink right before. Hot. Hot. I'm impatient. Then you just add it right to your cup with the honey. A nice wooden spoon. Always stir with a wooden spoon. I'm going to show you a photo of what this looks like a little bit closer up. Okay, didn't that look like coffee? Well, first off, I don't need the caffeine, but this is the next best thing. And it tastes good. It's good for you and it tastes good. So, I'm going to go drink this, and remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.